Hey foodies, here's the recipe for the brown butter chocolate chip cookies that I made. So over medium-high flame, we're gonna brown or butter for around 7 minutes, mixing occasionally. You wanna pay keen attention because in just a split second, your butter might burn, and that's what we don't want to do. You will, however, smell that nutty aroma as soon as the butter starts to brown. Allow the butter to cool for just a little bit before adding the other ingredients, but not for too long because then it will start to solidify. We're gonna go in with a half a cup of granulated sugar, a cup of light brown sugar, 1 egg plus an egg yolk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all that in. Then we're gonna add our dry ingredients, which is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Of course you can use a mixer if you like, however if I don't have to, I just don't, because I never want to run the risk of over mixing my dough. I used a half a bar of chocolate plus a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I allowed my cookie dough to chill for around an hour. I baked at 350 for 12 minutes. The full recipe will be posted to my YouTube channel and the food blog very soon. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more easy recipes.